Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to do a hot tour of my house for the new family I made. So, I'm Emily. This is Mackenzie. I'm Mackenzie. I'm Brad. This is baby Ella. And I'm Andrew. So, let me show you the house. So first, this is our bedroom. Okay. This is our bedroom. This is our clothes. And this is our plant. And this is where we keep our phone and my bag. I mean a purse, bag, whatever. And the bed we use and the bed for Ella. Okay. Here, this is the baby toilet bathroom. So we have bubble light because they can do like bubble baths in there. And then this is the kids' bedroom. This is Mackenzie area, and this is Brad area. So Mackenzie have a camera, and Brad has an Alexa. And I don't know where they put the iPad. They put the iPad right here. I don't know why they put it right there. And this is the kitchen we have. So this is the drinks area. And this is also another drink. And the water bottle. And we're going to have a drink for some reason. And some other stuff, food. And this is where I put my stuff. So we have a towel. And the other stuff. And then we have this. And the lunch box on top right there. And the food's right here. And the washing machine. And the plates and bowl. And this is the oven right here. And over here, this is the pool area and other stuff, the relaxing area. So we have a barbecue, so we can grill. Because we love eating barbecue. And let's go downstairs. I do not mind the loading screen. Please don't mind it. Okay. So this is the office. This is where we hang our coats and stuff. And here's the outside part. And the printer area. And this is the casual relaxing area. And yes, with this, yeah, and everything. And we even have this. I really don't know what it is though. And this thing too. And this is the playtime for the kids. I don't know why this clothes is doing here. I'll just take it later on. I'll just put it right here. And then this is the shower, and this is the another bathroom, and this is the storage room. And thank you guys for watching my video. And bye. See you in the next video. Bye guys.